When a pianist strikes a chord, a timpanist pounds out a rhythm, or a trumpet player blows that first note, all ears are at the ready listening for the perfect pitch or disappointing dissonance. Musical instrument repairers and tuners keep instruments in tune and in good repair. Instrument repairers and tuners are experts at assessing an instrument's problems and recommending a realistic repair based on the instrument's age, condition, and quality. They may repair all types of instruments or specialize in one area, such as piano tuning, and often teach customers how to care for their instruments. They often start by playing the instrument, tuning it, or taking it apart for any repairs, which might mean removing dents, building or inserting replacement parts, and finishing with a high polish. They may also evaluate instruments for sale or purchase. Instrument repairers and tuners work at music stores, repair shops, instrument rental services, or work independently out of their homes. Some tour with bands or orchestras to keep instruments in top shape for performances. Most repairers are also skilled musicians, although piano tuners often train for the job without musical skills. Standard business hours for many jobs leave evenings and weekends available to perform. Positions typically require either work experience, technical training, or an associate's degree, along with related work experience. Apprenticeships are sometimes available.